What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know I said the next video on the channel would be the Weirdos Satan Crate unboxing and parts overview, but I decided to go back to this kit, the MPC Jawbreaker, and finish it up. I started it, worked on it a little bit, and put it back in the box. So before I moved on to that kit, even though it's only 35 pieces, I decided to go back to this one and finish it up for you guys. So here's my finished build of it. This is the MPC Jawbreaker. This is the AMT Buyer's Choice version. So there's kind of what it looks like built up on the box. So it comes with two sets of headers. I decided to not use these ones. I used the headers that had like the longer pipes you'll see once I show you my build. And here's the pieces that go over the tube chassis for the front. I decided not to put those on my build. We also have a wing in there that I didn't put on. So let's go ahead and get into my build now. So this is what we ended up with for my MPC Jawbreaker. Like I said, I didn't put that front piece on the body over the rail, and I used these headers. And then it also came with the helmet. So let's go ahead and get you a better view of it. All right, so here's my finished MPC Jawbreaker. I think it came out looking pretty good. Everything was already molded in gray, except for what's already chromed, as you can see. So I still went ahead and went over it with the gray primer from Mission Models paint. And then for the body, I went over it with Createx colors, Wicked colors. This is their Wicked Opaque White. And then I followed that up with Mission Models Pearl Starship White. So I thought I wanted it to be just like flat, which this is obviously a flat white, but I went ahead and went over with the Pearl Starship White. I think it gives it a better sheen to it, gives it a better look. So as you see, it has a really nice looking shine to it. I like it a lot better than just the flat white. As you can see, the headers are just the Createx Wicked Opaque White. So it does give it a little bit better of a contrast, because it would have just been this white matched up with the white on the body, and I think it would have just blended in too much. So the engine is just Createx colors as well. It's the Createx Wicked colors, Wicked Red. So I think that came out looking pretty good. So for the rails and everything, I just used the Pearl Deep Charcoal from Mission Models, which gave it a nice look. And for the chute here on the back, that's just black primer from Mission Models as well. Definitely came out looking good. This inside chrome piece here, as well as the rear end differential. That's just Rust-Oleum chrome paint. For the front firewall piece right here, that is also chrome. I just used a Sharpie marker. It's the metallic silver. So it's the metallic series from Sharpie. And you can kind of see it looks like little brush marks on it still, but I didn't feel like taping it off, and still looks pretty good. So I just followed around the edges and then filled it in. So you can kind of see where I did that. This line here was also just the black primer. I didn't clear it or anything, so the glue kind of ate away at the paint a little bit there. But I think it came out looking pretty good. The only thing I cleared on this model was the body and these pipes. So I used Mission Models semi-gloss clear mixed with their polyurethane additive that you guys seen me use before. But there we have it, the finished MPC Jawbreaker AMT Buyer's Choice. Definitely gotta try to get another one of these kits, the MPC Jawbreaker kits, just so I can paint it differently. But I really enjoyed this build. The only thing I didn't really like was I had some trouble on the instructions. There's this part here where for the steering linkage, and I must have missed over it, or it just doesn't say to put this piece on there. So just be aware that, you know, you have to put a steering linkage right there. It's a separate piece on the chrome tree. But other than that, I didn't really have any problems with this kit at all. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this showcase of my MPC Jawbreaker. Thank you guys for checking it out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.